Hey guys, I wanted to take just a few minutes and do a little updated video. Several months ago, I did a video on how I secure my wig grip to my hair, how I wear my wig grip. Now, I have had literally hundreds of questions and comments about it over on YouTube. And it is a big topic of conversation because a lot of people, everyone does it differently. Everyone secures their wig in a different way with different products. Now, as you can see, I'm keeping my hair super short during the summertime and most of the time, but there are times I let it grow out a little bit and I will wear a wig cap and a wig grip. I do that a lot. Even with it this short, sometimes if I'm doing videos, I will wear both. Right now in the, I live in the South and it's super hot down here right now. And with my hair so short, I'm just basically wearing a wig grip right now. But I also know there are people who do not want to wear a wig grip at all. They might have a larger head circumference and the wig they want to wear might feel too tight. Some people think these give them a headache, so they don't want to wear them. I totally understand that. So there are different ways to secure it though, with and without a wig grip. Now, of course, you can wear a wig grip that has the lace, or you can go with the ones that do not. I personally wear them both, whether I have a lace part, a mono top. It doesn't bother me. I don't never feel like someone gets that close to me to be able to see that underneath. And everyone I know knows I wear wigs anyway. But either way, whatever your preference is, feel free to wear it. Now, my personal preference and what I still do is I love it stays. I have always used this and I will always probably use it. And if you've seen my previous video, you know the way I do this is I run this all the way around the perimeter of my head and then I put on my wig grip. And my wig will stay on in a hurricane. It is not going anywhere. However, this is water-based. And many people don't like this because they think if they sweat, perspire a lot, it doesn't hold well, and I understand that. So just a couple of more options from people that I've been talking to and that have experience with using some different products. I have done this. This is the Got to Be Glued. Let me see, make sure that focuses in. I hope it does. This is a very good product to use as well. It's called the Blasting Free Spray. I've done this a couple different ways. I have sprayed this all the way around my head and put my wig grip on. I have also sprayed that directly on my wig grip and put it on my hair. It works for me perfect both ways. I haven't had any issue with that. Let me just do that. I'll go to the inside of my wig grip. And I have just sprayed this on my wig grip. Give it a second to get a little tacky. You can also use a blow dryer to do that. Also, if you put it directly on your hair. Now, let me just say, I do not put anything on my skin. I do not have any trouble, or haven't so far, with lace fronts not laying flat on me. So if you have experience using any of these products on your lace front, let me know in the comments below. But I will spray that directly on my wig grip, let that get a little tacky, and that works great as well. You can also use the Got to Be Glued styling gel. This also works great. Same thing. Put it on your hands, around the perimeter of your head. Use your blow dryer if you want, just a little, just till it gets tacky, and then put your wig grip on. Just some different ways to wear your wig grip. Also, if you are not wearing a wig grip, you can do the same thing by just putting it around. Now, if you have long hair, you're gonna have your hair already prepared for your wig, and then put your product around and put your wig on. I'm just really careful that I don't like to get product on my lace, and that's why I don't put anything on my actual skin, because I really, you know, the lace is so delicate. I don't want to take any chance of any way hurting the lace of my wig. But if you have that experience, please let me know how you do that. So I've got my wig grip on. It is secure, and I throw on my wig, and basically, I'm out the door. It will stay. You're not gonna have any issues with that. I'm wearing Belle Tress Santa Monica. I think this one is Milkshake Blonde Rooted. I love it. I have it in 3 or 4 colors now. And that's just a quick update of how to deal with keeping your wig secure.